The Gilson HM-580 Mechanical Soil Compactor combines the accuracy, ease of use, and industry-leading safety features in the compaction of soils. The HM-580 Mechanical Soil Compactor comes fully assembled, with the exception of the two-piece top extension enclosure, the human-machine interface programmable digital controller, and the power cord. All will need to be installed before operation can begin. But first, be sure the unit has not already been connected to its main power source. To install the extension enclosure on the top of the compactor, you first line up both parts of the enclosure with the pre-drilled holes on the top of the main case of the unit. Once each enclosure piece is in place, then lightly screw in the enclosure with the provided screws. Once all screws are in place, tighten all screws. To attach the HMI digital controller to the unit, you first align the threaded studs on the back of the controller into the pre-drilled holes on the bracket. Hold the HMI unit in place on the bracket and lightly attach with the provided flat washers and nuts on each of the threaded studs. Once all nuts are in place, tighten all nuts. Please note, on the lower left corner of the HMI programmable digital controller, there is a toggle switch that controls the power to the unit. Pushing the top of the switch powers on the compactor. Pushing the bottom of the switch turns off the compactor. It is best to leave this switch in the off position when the compactor is not in use, but also when installing cables to the HMI controller, as we are now. Once the HMI controller is secured to the bracket, you now connect the two power and communication cables from the unit to the appropriate receptacle on the HMI controller. The communications cable is the black cable. It is connected from the top left of the unit's control box to the right receptacle on the back of the HMI. The HMI power cable is the yellow cable. It is connected from the bottom right of the unit's control box to the left receptacle on the back of the HMI. And finally, the main power cable. On the far right of the control box is where the unit is plugged into its main power source. For any questions concerning the HM-580 Mechanical Soil Compactor or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.